హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ రాకేష్ ట్యుటోరియల్స్. నేను అప్లోడ్ చేసే వీడియోస్ మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్గా రావాలనుకుంటే నా ఛానల్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ బటన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. టుడే అవర్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 4.1 పేర్ ఆఫ్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఇన్ టూ వేరియబుల్స్. 8th question. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. If we increase the length by 10 units and decrease the breadth by 5 units, the area will be increased by 50 square units. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Okay, so given what the question is, the area of a rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units when if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. That means one rectangle is there. For that rectangle, if we reduce the length by 5 units and breadth increased by 2 units, then its area is decreased. Reduced means decreased to 80 square units. Okay, and another condition is we increase the length by 10 units. If we increase the length by 10 units and if we decrease the breadth by 5 units, the area will be increased by 50 square units. That means area is increased. So find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Okay, so we have to find the length and breadth of the original rectangle. Okay, so first let the length of the rectangle is x units. Okay, it is L. Length of the rectangle L is x units. Next, breadth of the rectangle B is y units. Okay, breadth of the rectangle is y units. Next, area of the rectangle formula is L into B. L into B means length is here x, breadth is here y, so area is xy. Okay, so given that by problem, given that two conditions, see the area of a rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units. Length is reduced by 5 units. That means here length is x, it is reduced by 5 units. Breadth is increased by 2 units. Okay, breadth is increased by 2 units. Breadth is here y minus 2. Okay, y plus 2. Increased means plus, reduced means minus. Okay, so then area of the rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units. So area of the rectangle is xy. It is reduced means minus 80. Okay, so it is first condition is length is reduced to 5 units, breadth is increased to 2 units. Then area means L into B is equal to xy minus 80. Okay, next another condition is length is increased by 10 units. So x plus 10, length is increased by 10 units into breadth is decreased by 5 units. So y minus 5 is equal to area is increased by 50 square units. Area is increased by 50 square units. So students, Here generally to you one doubt is coming, sir, why did you multiplied here both x plus 10 into y minus y and x minus y into y plus 2? For major students this doubt generally coming, so I am explaining here. So here the area of the rectangle gets reduced. So here he mentioned area of rectangle by increasing length and decreasing breadth, increasing or decreasing the length and breadth. So area of the rectangle formula is length into breadth. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So length is decreased, so here written x minus y 5 into breadth is increased, so I wrote y plus 2. So L into B is equal to, this is area of actual rectangle, it is reduced by 80, so reduced, so it is minus 80. Okay, understood? So area of the rectangle is reduced by 80 units by decreasing length is 5 units, breadth by increasing breadth is 2 units. Next, in second condition, the area of the rectangle is increased by 50 square units. Okay, 50 square area of the rectangle plus means increased by 50 square units. By applying, length is increased by 10 units, breadth is decreased by 5 units. So multiplication. Okay, now I think now your doubt will be clarified. Okay, next, so solving. So now we are multiplying these equations. So x into y, xy, plus into plus, plus x into 2. X into 2 is 2x. Minus into plus, minus 5 into y, 5y. Minus into plus, minus 5 2 ja 10 is equal to xy minus 80. Transpose all these terms to LHS side. So xy plus 2x minus 5y minus xy minus 10. This minus becomes plus is equal 0. Plus xy transposing to LHS means minus. Okay. Here see, it is plus xy, it is minus xy. Both are get cancelled. Okay. 2x minus 5y, it is plus 70 is equal to 0. Okay. As to solve this equation, x into y, xy, plus into minus, minus, x into 5, 5x, plus into plus, plus 10 into y, 10y, plus into minus, minus 10 5 ja 50 is equal to xy plus 50. Okay. Now transpose RHS terms to LHS side. Xy minus 5x plus 10y minus 50 plus xy becomes minus xy plus 50 becomes minus 50 is equal to 0. Okay. Here also it is plus xy, it is minus xy. Both are get cancelled. So remaining is, it is minus 5x plus 10y minus 100 is equal to 0. Okay. This is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. Now we have to solve these two equations by first we write the table, after that we are drawing the graph. So first you copy this. So students, draw the table for 2x minus 5y plus 70 is equal 0. It is x, y is equal to x comma y. So I am changing this equation in terms of y. So see, 2x minus 5y plus 70 is equal to 0. Transpose 5y to RHS side. 2x plus 70 is equal to 5y. So that means it implies it is 5y is equal to 2x plus 70, because if a is equal to b means then b is equal to a. Okay. Next, transpose 5 to RHS side. 5 is multiplying here. Transposing to RHS means it is dividing. Okay, 2x plus 70 by 5. So here y is equal to 2x plus 70 by 5. Okay. For our easy calculation purpose, see here constants are here, it is 70, it is 100. So take 0 and 10. Okay, 0 and 10. So by taking 0, substitute in place of x 0. Okay, so y is equal to 2 into 0 plus 70 by 5. 2 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 70 by 5. 0 plus 70 is 70, 70 by 5. Cut 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja 5, carry 2, 20, 5 4 ja. So it is 14. So 0 comma 14, 0 comma 14. Next substitute 10. Substitute 10. Y is equal to 2 into 10 plus 70 by 5. 2 10 ja 20 plus 70 by 5. 20 plus 70 is 90, 90 by 5. Okay. So cut 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja 5, carry 4 means 40, 5 8 ja 40. So it is 18. Point is 10 comma 18. Okay. Okay, now write y term. Now it is minus 5x plus 10y minus 100 is equal to 0. So here y coefficient is plus. So transpose the other two terms. So 10y is equal to minus becomes plus. So it is 5x. Here also minus 100 becomes plus 100. Okay. Y is equal to 5x plus 100. Here 10 is multiplying, transposing means dividing by 10. Okay. So it is 5x plus 100 by 10. Okay. Now here also take same 0 and 10. Substitute x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 5 into 0 plus 100 by 10. 5 0 ja 0 plus 100 by 10. 0 plus 100 is 100 by 10. For this 0, 0 get cancelled. So y value is 10. So point is y value is 10. Point is 0 comma 10. Okay. Next substitute y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 5 into 10 plus 100 by 10. 5 10 ja 50 plus 100 by 10. 50 plus 100 is 150 by 10. 0 0 get cancelled, it is 15. Okay. So it is 15. That means 10 comma 15. Okay. For this point we have to draw the graph. Okay. So before drawing the graph, copy this. So students, now we are drawing the graph. It is x-axis, it is y-axis. I took units as on x-axis 10, 20, 30, 40 like this. On y-axis 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like this. Okay, so for first equation points are 0 comma 14, 0 comma 14, so it is 0, it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so here coming 0 comma 14. Next second point is 10 comma 18, 10, here it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, so approximately here coming 10 comma 18. Okay, uh, extend this line, join this line by using your scale. This equation is 2x minus 5y plus 70 is equal to 0. Okay, next for second equation lines are 0 comma 10, points are 0 comma 10 and 0 comma 10 and 10 comma 15, it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 here coming. Okay, so join this both lines by using scale in your with a scale. Okay, by joining these two lines, okay, so these two lines are intersecting like this. This equation is minus 5x plus 10y minus 100 is equal to 0. Both are intersecting like this one point, so this point to you coming as 40 comma 30, this point coming to as 40 comma 30. Okay, so 40 comma 30 means x value is 40, y value is 30, that means length of a rectangle is, x means length, so length of the rectangle is 30 units. Okay, length of the rectangle is 30 units. Next, breadth of the rectangle, length of the rectangle is 40 units, breadth of the rectangle is 30 units. Okay, 40 comma 30 means length is 40 units, breadth is 30 units, and finally don't try to forget scale on top of the graph. Okay, so for this scale on x-axis 1 cm is equal to 10 units, on y-axis 1 cm is equal to 10 units. Okay, don't forget to write the scale on the top of a graph right side. Okay, so finally we get the answer as length of the rectangle is 40 units, breadth of the rectangle is 30 units. So copy this. So students, if you have any doubts means ask me in comment section, I will clarify your doubts.